personal injury case, if it's an automobile accident, can take anywhere between 3 months, typically as the shortest period of time, up to 5 years. And the reason it takes a long period of time is because you have to first see what the injuries are. You have to see where the residuals are and the prognosis for the future. For instance, sometimes a person might have injury pain to his neck and back and thinks it's resolved, and the insurance company will send him to, his insurance company will send him to a no-fault independent medical exam, referred to as an IME. And that doctor will say, hey, there's nothing wrong, we don't need to treat them anymore. But the patient will still have difficulties over the years, and they might lead to surgery. It would be a disservice to settle a case before the treatment is done or until there's a good firm grasp on the prognosis, unless you're able to get the full insurance proceeds from the other party. If they go on the trial calendar, sometimes it could take 2 years when you place the case on the trial calendar till you get a trial date. And to get to that point, it could take a year or 2 years after you start a lawsuit, depending on how contentious the litigation is. In a premises case, it's a similar aspect. However, the difference with that is you don't also have to see if you could breach the no-fault threshold based upon the treatment and the injuries, because if you can prove the other party responsible, the law provides you're entitled to compensation. Doesn't mean a jury will award it, but you don't have to see what the nature and extent of the injuries are and if you could breach that no-fault serious injury threshold.